Your expenses.
Hi students, in the previous session we discussed about the wheel of sacrifice, paragraph 1, 2, two paragraphs. And prior to that video session, I asked you to answer the following questions. These questions. Many of you, only 3 of you have written the assignments and almost all the strength of the class is not written. I am literally disappointed. A last warning for you. These questions, you have to write it. If you don't write it, then it will not be good. Okay? So we know where Bhagat Singh was born. Bhagat Singh was born in Khatkar Kalan, Punjab on September 27 in the year 1907. His father Arjan Singh, his grandfather Arjan Singh, his father Vishan Singh and uncle Ajit Singh were all great freedom fighters. They actively participated in the independence movement. And later on, when Gandhiji gave a call in the year 1921 for non-cooperation movement, Bhagat Singh left DAV school, Dayanand Anglo-Vedic school, where he first met Lala Lajpat Rai in the year 1916. Who was Lala Lajpat Rai? Lala Lajpat Rai was also a great freedom fighter and was also a founder of Punjab National Bank. He actively participated in freedom struggle. Very good. And we also got to know that there were many other people. When he left in the year 1921 DAV school, he joined for National School at Lahore, which was a center point for revolutionary activities. Revolutionary activities in the sense using of violence to change the government, using weapons to kill people, or using violence in the sense where there is bloodshed. But Gandhiji was a follower of Ahimsa movement. Ahimsa in the sense non-violent movement. But Bhagat Singh and his followers or Lala Lajpat Rai, they used violent activities. So in paragraph 3, we shall discuss about, we are moving on to paragraph 3. The revolutionaries were branded as terrorists by the British government. Who is the terrorist? Terrorist. So, किसे बोलती हैं? आतंकवादी. Why British people called Indians terrorists? Terrorists. Why? It is because British were ruling India. British were ruling our country, and they never wanted to go away from here. And so Indians, what they did? They fought with British, telling that you have to go away from the country. When Indians came up with violent activities, they wanted a change in the government. They wanted their power. Hence, British declared Indians as terrorists because they were opposing the rules of British people. Understood? The revolutionaries, particularly revolutionaries, the one who involved in the freedom struggle, the freedom fighters, for them British called as terrorists because they were fighting for the country, they were fighting for the justice, and British never wanted for them to fight it. Hence, British labelled revolutionaries as terrorists. They gave a label for them, Tumhe Aatangwadi. The one who are all fighting are terrorists. They believed that the British rule was unjust and oppressive. Who believed? Indians believed that however the British are ruling, it is unjust for us. They are not doing justice with us because they are treating we people as slaves. हमने एक नौकरों के जैसा ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. कौन? ब्रिटिश पीपल. They never gave a highest position in any of the government services. All the A-class positions were captured by British people. Indians were given a low-class work like cleaning or cleaning toilets, like that. A clerk job was given to Indian people, and all the highest positions were occupied by the British people. And thinking this thing, because Indians were treated as slaves, people like Bhagat Singh, they started fights against British people, and when they fought with British labelled Bhagat Singh and his followers or people like Bhagat Singh as terrorists, because Bhagat Singh wanted, and all people like Bhagat Singh wanted the rule of Indians, not the rule of British people. Therefore, it was legitimate on their part to use violence as a weapon to overthrow the foreigners, because British were not Indians, they were foreigners, and when they did not listen with the talks, they took up the swords and they wanted to fight against British people and wanted to send them away from country. They used bombs and guns against British people. Not only just that they took the swords, they also took the bombs so that they can explode it. And they also used guns to kill them. And wanted to rob their establishments. Like they used to go to their palaces and take whatever expensive things are there, or just put a bomb over the building. Simple. And they would ruin and destroy the British buildings and establishments. Their ideas differed from Gandhian idea of a freedom movement based on non-violence or ahimsa. Gandhi was a follower of ahimsa, where he never wanted Indians to take up the violent path. He wanted, let me talk to them and let me solve it. We are not supposed to take up the swords, we are not supposed to take up the guns and bombs. We always have to go calmly. But Bhagat Singh and his followers, they did not listen to it. Okay? The thing what I am trying to tell here is, make sure that you at least try to frame questions on your own. In the next session, we shall finish this paragraph 4, 5 and 6. Before that one, go through the paragraphs 4, 5th and 6th. Try to understand whatever you understood, frame the questions and send me through WhatsApp. Study well, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.